Hello and welcome to the Tyche Trading YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be introducing the AutoTradingRange indicator, a new reliable price action indicator from TycheTrading.io. The market is always in one of two phases, either trending or ranging. The AutoTradingRange indicator will track every time the market is consolidating and display exact price values for the boundaries of each trading range. Inspired by Al Brooks, this indicator uses strict price action rules to locate each trading range, large or small, and will continually adjust as the market does. With exact price precision, it makes it easy to line up your entries and exits based on your trading strategy and the trading ranges. Let's see how this indicator works. So here we are on December 31st. It's around 10:40-ish. We're currently trading on the ENS futures market on a 2000 tick chart. And here we're using the 20 EMA as well as the auto trend channel indicator. And so here we can see that the trend channel indicator has found a moment of consolidation in the market. It was triggered down here in this patch of consolidation, but as the market has gone on, we can see that the indicator has tracked that the whole thing as a trading range. It has recognized that as the more data gets added, that the trading range itself changes and grows. And the indicator has recognized that, spotted that, and has redrawn the lines in these positions. And we can see a significant amount of price action happening here, and then along this line too. Along here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Well, we'll not count that one, but 8, 9, 10. 10 almost exact touches of this line along this trading range. So what I'm looking at here is I'm looking at a bunch of failed attempts to break out of this trading range on the downside, but clearly the market is pushing down. It wants to go down farther with how much it's been sitting around the lower end of this trading range. However, the bulls have been taking this market up for a bit of a push up again. However, this ledge here, I don't expect us to be able to break past this ledge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait to see what happens as we get a little bit closer, but I'm going to enter into a sell trade. A sell stop here, expecting the market to come up, hit this line, and then reverse for a couple of points. I will not be swinging this. I personally like to scalp. I'm not a swing trader, but I'm willing to bet we can make a couple of points off of this trade. But I'm going to wait a little bit longer to see how the market plays out, and we'll go from there as more data reveals itself. All right, here I'm going to enter in 1 tick below this bar. Here we go, and we're in this trade. I think I'm only going to go for 1 point on this one, just because this has been a strong push up, and I'm not entering in on the second attempt down. Rather, I'm entering in on the first attempt down. I'd be much more comfortable if we saw like up, down, and a second hit off the top, and then a second push down. I'd feel much more comfortable with that. But for now, I'm going to stick with the 1 point trade here. I'm going to keep my 4 point stop loss. We'll see how the trade pans out. Come on. There we go. Another reason why I only wanted to go for the 1 tick rather, or the 1 point rather than 2 points, just because I didn't like how close to the 20 EMA we were, and I could see the market very comfortably coming down, hitting the 20 EMA, and then bouncing right back off of it for maybe even a potential breakout. I don't think this is going for a breakout, but I could see that being the case. This has been an example use case of the AutoTradingRange indicator from TycheTrading.io. It is a 100% price action indicator, though it does come with standard deviation options as well. However, the way that we have it set up right now is pure price action. It does not use anything other than the way that the bars are placed to calculate whether it's going to be, whether there's a trading range or not, and whether it has broken out or not. It's 100% price action. And as we can see, it ends up working out pretty well for us. It's an incredibly useful indicator. I use it in my daily trading strategy, and I highly recommend checking it out. In the description of this video, we will have some links. First will be a link to a free trial for the AutoTradingRange indicator. The second link will be an install guide for all free and paid for indicators that we offer at TycheTrading.io. If you have any thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or to email us at info@TycheTrading.io. We'll be happy to respond to any questions or comments you may have. Thank you for joining us in this video, and as always, good fortunes.